Number 1, hyena sound. Hyenas are fast and they look ugly. If your bow speed is too fast and make this kind of empty sound, you are making hyena sound. Solution. Place 2 tapes about 2 inches apart in the middle of the bow and practice only between tapes. The bow should stay in one spot. Practice a lot and master it. If your sound is good, practice the tapes a little longer and practice. Number 2, hippopotamus sound. Hippopotamus are too heavy and clumsy. If you hold the bow too strong and push too hard, we'll hear heavy and scratch sound. Solution. Hold the bow properly and make your hand very soft like a marshmallow, and use the bow weight only, then play. Number 3, chimpanzee sound. Chimpanzees are okay. They are sometimes good and sometimes bad. Beginner violinists sometimes make good sounds and sometimes make dirty sounds with hitting the other string, especially when cross the strings. Solution. Practice with pose when cross the string. When cross, don't lift your bow. Just move like a seesaw and move super quietly. Number 4, swan sound. Swans are beautiful. If you make beautiful and light steadily without any kind of dirty sound, then you are making swan sound. You are doing very good and continue to practice like that.